a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a poet whose weapon is his word. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O There will come a ruler whose brow is bleeding corn. Spear with oil like with its boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. Spear with oil like with its boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay.
L'âme en peine, il vit mais par la peine. Il attend devant cette photo d'antan. Il n'est pas fou, il y croit c'est tout. Il la voit partout, il attend debout. Une rose à la main, à part elle il n'attend rien. Rien autour, rien de sens et l'air est lourd. Le regard absent, il est seul et lui parle. Souvent il n'est pas fou, il lève ses doux. Il la voit partout, il attend debout, debout. Une rose à la main, non, non plus rien ne le retient. Dans sa love story, dans sa love story, dans sa love story, sa love story. Prends ma main, promets-moi que tout ira bien. Serre-moi fort, près de toi je rêve encore. Oui, oui je veux rester, mais je ne sais plus aimer. J'ai été trop bête, je t'en prie arrête, arrête comme je regrette. Non, je ne voulais pas tout ça. Je serai riche et je t'offrirai tout mon or. Et si tu t'en fiches, je t'attendrai sur le port. Et si tu m'ignores, je t'offrirai mon dernier souffle de vie. Dans ma love story, dans ma love story, dans ma love story, ma love story. Une bougie peut illuminer la nuit. Un sourire peut bâtir tout un empire. Il y a toi, il y a moi, personne n'y croit, mais l'amour fait d'un fou un roi. Et si tu m'ignores, je me battrai encore et encore. C'est ta love story, c'est ta love story, c'est l'histoire d'une vie, love story.
There was a king living carefree. He wanted the world, he wanted everything. He ruled with a fist, his people were starved. He watched as they begged behind his castle guards. Diamonds and pearls, emeralds and gold, he bathed in the riches only he could know. But with time came age, his health in decline. The fate of his legacy left to the tide. So he ran to his queen and demanded a child. Planted his seed, then he cast her aside. Several months later she bore him a son, but died just to give him his own flesh and blood. Ooh, ooh. The son grew like wheat, he soon was 18. He ventured outside of the castle to see the faces so gaunt, the dead in the street. They cried out for help, but nobody could hear. Deep down inside him something had stirred. He laughed at the ruins his father incurred. Fire in his veins, he stormed back to the throne. Stared down the king with a race still unknown. The father decreed the new rule of law, his son to be banished outside of the walls. So the son had a plan and his heart was convinced there'd never be room for both king and a prince. He rallied the people and charged through the gate, shield in one hand but the other a blade. With one fell swoop his own father deposed. He sat on the throne and adorned his new crown.